Hey, shortboss. Hey, boy. Shortboss, tell me shoe for. Are you feeling the inside?
You want body shoe body you happy, right? I can you put this cat to move here so what I'm thinking I shake it your body there's a fresh thing dog so you ain't happy, right? You ain't happy. I'll give you $2 don't see nothing but please don't don't see nothing.
You gotta move far, cause like when I show just like I ain't nice way.
Alright, good. But please don't.
Alright, but I got you, shortboss.
It's a shortboss there. I just say you're nice. Oh, hey, you see shortboss?
No man, shortboss in the inside.
Oh, I see you sneak out here, so just now. And...
You know man, you see. You check inside the bathroom?
I check the body. You sure you see the man?
No, Missy shortboss.
You the man gotta know. You, hey, Uni, why I come to... You sure?
Sure, I 100% sure Missy shortboss.
Why? For fair talk, man. Cause you ain't seem like you wanted.
Man, right. Gotta pay me though.
Well, you can't name your price.
5,000.
What? This man, look! This is the last 5,000 I got paid for the mountain. How you walking so with me, buddy?
Man, see me and shortboss good, but gotta still do something before I sell out.
Man, hold on.
Good. But, I get 2,000 for shortboss and I get 5,000 for she. The 7,000 I got. Nice piece of bread inside my pocket. Oh, yeah, man. Ring your phone and you get on team, man. Look. You call me.
Alright.
Yeah, man. You was fine.
Don't let she catch me. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, you falling in? Oh. What are you doing down here? Eh? Come on, I want to hear you come out, man. I want to hear you come here. Come.
No, I didn't. I did sleepwalking, buddy.
Sleepwalking? What's that? Sleepwalking? And you go out there?
I know, I
What are you
sleepwalking.
doing out there?
No, I did sleepwalking. At the same time, I shed broccoli, my buddy. I shed broccoli.
So you walking my name, eh?
Because I did sleepwalking at the same time, I shed broccoli. You buy what you buy there, and the hole in the belly, because you buy one shed bath.
You don't know why it's chocolate.
But I
You don't know why it's chocolate.
So you won't believe me, buddy. You won't think I didn't even sneaking out, buddy. I tell you, this sleepwalking, I did sleep.
Hey.
I did sleep. I did sleepwalking, buddy. But
I say you mean by yes.
But I never tell you you buy yesterday, buddy. But I tell you this sleepwalking, buddy. But if I lose my, I tell you this sleepwalking, buddy.
Hey.
You see? I tell you don't sneak out.
Yo, by yourself, boy. I didn't sneaking out nowhere, buddy. I did sleepwalking and I shit
Shut your mouth before I got coffee again.
Buddy, humble, man.
I'm humble.
Humble, buddy. Humble, buddy. Humble, boy.
Plus, now I get 7,000 from you. Cause I get 5 from she and 2 from you. Plus, you get licks. Good for you. Next time, don't sneak out.
That's good. You could see your mom in the time.
How may I help you?
Man, a fascination just and you see down, you get your own company, but I like you, man. You know, I really know you, but I like you. You know, if we could be friends. You know, for start off things slow and so on. I like you. There's a comfort to you.
What? You come for buy sausages like people? Ah, I can't believe you. But buy you and you like tango suckers if I already tell you. You sure? You sure? You sure you are like bye. Bye. If you only know if you think continue walking my because if I start telling
Are you sure if I like you? Are you sure I like you, yeah? I like you. I don't care if you got a man or what. I like you, and there's a I telling you. I like you, and I sure I like you. So me know what if I know what. Do you tell me?
you could like me, but I can't like you. Because you can't take care of me. Right? Can't take care of me.
Well, hey, I could more than take care of you. I think, hey, if I get a girl, I must go take care of she. You see? And you don't look so easy for simple to take care of. You see me? I could more than take care of you.
Since you could take care of me, you gotta take care of me, my daughter. I take care of.
My daughter, I tell you in the easy and the hard to take care of. I could take care of you and your daughter. You see me? Nothing wrong with her.
Take care of me, my daughter, and also my husband. You have to take care of.
No.
Me, and you can take that responsibility. Are you up for that?
Hey, like tell you straight, I don't mind man and I don't like bike.
Well, you gotta take your pocket.
I can mind you and the child, then I leave husband. I don't like bike.
Guys, you want the cow and you want to take the calf, need the bigger cow.
That's I with you pocket girl. I don't, hey, go for me, yeah? I need one you need to, hey. No friend, get this money, boy.
Magic man here like you.
Oh, God, no friend, get this money. I gotta get some more. Magic man? I got some money here, man. I gotta get a couple more dollars for him. You could learn you buy a thing. And
Oh, magic man, this is.
Yeah, me magic man,
You
man.
show me a magic and you win something, magic man.
But me is not no magic. I can't perform magic.
No. Remember now, I show you one, and if you can do back one, you win me.
Alright, good.
Don't know.
Area happy, right?
Don't
A
know.
chair.
2 grand
Put
money, babe.
a chair.
2 grand funny, babe.
A
Don't let
chair,
you
right? You put a 2 grand, right?
Go, 2 grand funny, babe.
If you show me a magic, put some cards there.
No, I got you. What
If you
is it?
show me a magic,
I
if
show.
you want.
Good, right? See this here, so. See your 3
Yeah.
jack, right? What this here, so good. I take 3.
Yeah.
Put it there, right? Good, what this here now?
Alright, good. Let's see.
Good, what's here? I put the card, you put a jack.
Alright. So, where's the magic about?
No, I can show you that, hey, I can get back, you 3 jack and tap.
You go get back these 3 jack.
Yeah,
you go get
buddy.
back me a 4 jack in a pack big boy. I don't
What?
have 3 jack. Oh, you can get back.
Ma,
Alright.
what this here,
Put a
good.
card.
Put 1.
I put another one.
I put a 1 more.
I put another one.
Good.
Let's see
What
get
is
back
it?
me
What is it?
cards
What
big
is it?
boy.
What is
Let's
it?
see get back me cards big boy.
I didn't see it, sir, right? I didn't see it. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Right, there's on 2, right?
This.
So what do you see?
What?
Don't speak, don't take a get back door, you don't know what you had. What do you see? So this is me own. It's me own.
Yeah?
It's me own.
It's a PV.
It's me own.
What?
So, bam,
I could tell you do why?
what's your body now?
What? You don't want to.
Man, push your body, man.
This
You want?
Like I want shit, boy. This milk I eat this man like I want shit.
Big guy, I want to show me a magic, man. No more shit now.
I got something. Soon use a magic man, right?
Mm.
I got something for you do, right? Soon
What?
use a, if you can't do it, plus what here, so. Hey, they say, do everything here, so. A chair.
Everything the one time.
But if
What
you-
is it?
But they did. If you can't do it,
Mm.
it's me. Everything is me.
Go, show me fast.
Hold on.
Going.
Watch here.
Wow.
Got this paintbrush here, right?
Good.
A bucket of paint, right?
Good lad.
Why this shit, man? Get me fat and paint it in blue.
Wala ka sko fat boy.
What?
It's with us by there. Oh, see coming. I want to see what you gonna do, man. Oh, this week's gonna be a idea for do.
She ain't got no money, you know. She ain't got no money. I see. She asked me for money. I'm gonna stash up and I'm gonna give she a little chunk change until she days all around.
County money. Alright. He's always telling me money. Like all you see. Shortboss! Hey, Shortboss!
Was guys by. She calling me. Can't take all this.
Shortboss!
Shop that put this thing out it and over. Say she thinks she can't see. Aye. Come in there. Oh shucks, oh you there? One the way one.
What you doing there?
No, I went in cleaning the yard at the side of man, it didn't have.
Yet not like, come on. I want you to go and check this thing on the phone for me. I'm passing coming now. Eli! Why? Yes. You ain't got to know it. No, you're that. I'm there, you done?
Yeah man, I done just come now back there for see if everything else alright with you man, yeah. I done your phone and everything alright you know, me you could go and check in.
I'm feeling alright, man. I want some money. You some money, no?
Man, you want some money, but they do it right? Ache, I got, there's all the money I got. All that $1,200 man, there's all the money I got. At least you can say, you know, I don't give you money at them because $1,200 go alright for you, right? All the money there.
$1,200? Man, thanks, man.
Me got no money, so it's only $1,200 alone I could give you.
Yeah, back to the by the yard.
Yeah, I got clean up back the yard, man. She think it's stupid because you want this money there. Make sure oh, shucks. This one, she took my money.
Hey, Kiki! Yeah, what now?
Man, I had some money outside the man, I mean no for it, man. The money drop, man. I had the money and it drop.
But I thought you said you had no money. So we can
Alright. He coming and catch one today. Wait, is what left all this? What? Somebody drop their money, what? Somebody drop their money? Hey, left their money, boy. Oh, shucks. Yo, what you doing in the bush, boy? Well, what you mean what are they doing in the bush? You and what you doing in the bush right now? They're there for hustle. And I know I must start to catch one a yard today. Wait, say, catch one a yard, catch one whole part now. You could try test it today. One a, at least not this man here, so you're gonna catch, you know why? I is ready and set for y'all. If you come close to me, I chop you. Well, you just try pause the fate. Fee and Dean, but tell you man here, you know. There's a one, you know. I chop you. You only come close. So wait, you feel like set and ready to? You need gunman in this bush here, so? Alright, boss, sorry, don't do me nothing. Hey, we ain't happy, right? You see the bag the way I drop everything and left the money. Don't feel here, because there's gunman in this bush here, so. Away again the bag there. First, empty, take out something out to the bag, I see. I show you the knife. Got the money there right there, right? I got a little small thing inside there, small. Me want no story. Watch it. I did small thing right there. And I got a thing inside the bag, man. Mean you not too much, man. Easy it, man. You could take everything, but me want store with no gun, man, inside the no bush. But please. Don't do me nothing, man. Don't do me nothing. Please, don't do me nothing. Don't feel easy, you know. We the put a little you have to put them bit out to this place, you know, right? I'm going to drink the small tea, got there and everything. Say, bit out. Bit out. Alright, good. I'll go bit out. Alright, good, you gone. Oh, see you now, alright, good. Take this money, yeah? And everything you got. Check out this little small tea, got there? Man, you was supposed to be doing this for this, but this is woman walk. Also, can them think this for woman body. Woman walk, but I teacher can't say that, hey, you know, being cleaning, shot, boss and cleaning. At least because man is doing work in this house here, so you can't say we don't cleaning and all them things, man. Like, you have to see how this place is, because then I don't want you know land and talking and all them things.
Oh, he's different. Glad he's sleeping because he's always saying something. Glad. Alright, man.
Alright, done you know? Relax there, man.
Clean. You do a good job, man. Yeah, clean. Yeah, you got your breakfast. And go on and feed this party for me.
Well, you just don't clean this thing here, son. Yeah, they got. You know, man, you even supposed to doing this here, so.
Listen, peel the plantain, half of the plantain for me, and I can make breakfast.
Peel half of the plantain and you make breakfast, please. But hey, you know, if you can all fuck up, buddy. Hey, you know what? I want to man, listen, man. Man, space to work, better than woman, man is cook and everything.
Alright.
But I mean, we still planting and thing, but it ain't happy, man. You know what? I feel the planting, man. Yeah,
Yeah, man. Pay the planting, man. Relax, relax, and get your turn. We can see who's better, man. You pay half of the planting, and I go in inside here, sir, and wash up these wheels.
alright, good, good. Everything pay the planting and thing. There's no problem. Oh, shucks. Just a peel half of the planting. Oh, shucks, right thing with the one. Sky ba anything like this half of the planting I feel it. Alright.
Hey, short boss. You don't peel off of the planting there?
Yeah, come. It's right there you come. I don't peel off for the planting here, so I half left back. Come.
Oh, shit. I can just see something on there, boy.
Come, man. It's right there you come. I didn't just see something walk across it's right there you come.
What's this? What's this? I tell you, peel half. What's this, short boss? What's this, boy? Yeah, you're saying, man could do everything better. Look at you, look at this. Look at this. You peel half the thing, buddy.
It's half the thing. You peel half. What is half a peel half? A peel half.
Why this is not peel this here, buddy? You cut this and you peel the whole thing, buddy. This is cut in half, buddy. Not this, buddy. Not this stupidness what you do, buddy. This. Oh, this, buddy. This right. I say woman is do thing, buddy.
The guy say peel half and thing. I peel half for the time.
This is where it's called. Some in the boat and some there. This is where it's called, half, buddy.
They never say peel half and
Everybody catches this thing. Can I get in the head? Can I put some knocks of sense in the head?
missing. Somebody fishing. Boss, I walk yeah. Yes, short boss.
You know, boss?
Because you name short boss, use it boss.
No, boss, I dey working all the time, but this one hard body, eh?
Working from what your eyes?
No, this one hard, I working away.
Short man come and literally catch you sleeping, short boss.
No, but I didn't sleep them, but I didn't clean them, but
You're working for keep clean reading service. Not sleep and dream reading service, my bad. Understand me?
yeah, boss, I'm
So there's not sleep and dream. Get back to work. You understand me?
yeah, boss, but the base,
But they what?
no, base clean, I didn't sleep in and dream them, but the sleep clean with it, so I working for all the time, but I not sleep on the work, but
You not sleep on the work.
no, I not sleep on the work.
It's praying for the work.
Yeah, I did praying. I'm glad for, help people finish how they say, quick man, and this keep clean, but the real talk.
Alright, sharp boss. Get back to work. Don't sleep, right?
Yeah,
You're
boss.
not sleep and dream, it's keep clean. Remember the motto.
Keep clean, right?
Keep clean.
Keep clean. Talking about keep clean. But if you don't sleep, how your dream gonna come true? You gotta sleep for your dream come true. Talk about keep clean. Keep clean, keep clean.
Sharp boss. Yo. Get up. I fed up. Fed up. Pack up and home.
Boss,
You want to sleep the whole day? Pack up and home. Go home and sleep. You don't collect where you work for, right? You go home and sleep. Sun hot?
Sun hot. Then I gotta work for now.
No. You go home. Don't call the work will call you. You go home.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we coming back there, girl. We're going to make a spin and we come back. I just make sure you prepare this place and make food for me. Coming back.
Alright.
Good, we coming back there.
Alright,
So,
good.
so things done now, so we come back there, right?
Yeah, Joel.
Them how we feel these any robot or anything, them always
When they
walk
come back,
on
them
you.
and do it. And they do the work.
They don't come back and clean and cook.
Hey, Charlie, get a story for tell you, girl. What Sister Beverly of you?
Well, let me talk. They gonna come back and do me.
Charlie, see, don't Beverly, my left share now with the neighbor, Suzette, girl.
You lie.
Yes. Yeah, but girl. One of them, they telling me, Sam, he said that how she and the friends of friend, man, she went sleeping with, and then she mash up us for home and she said, oh, girl. I said, God, tell me, sis, this story, you know the thing, girl, you know the thing.
Wanna play them is up there.
I know, girl. When I said, oh, so this routine, and when she does, she's wanting and walking, kick him out his shot, and look what she's doing.
Yeah.
Girl, I saw, oh God, girl, the story. Then I hear next one that's, what? Sister, Emily, something with she husband to us, what Jesus, this is story. Oh God, girl, I can't wait. I can't wait for go back to the Why? Yeah, but you know, we tag the story and then when them come in and think that the story was so sweet.
They got try there. Every day they walk in the road and do this, do that, do this, do that.
I'm
tired.
Story, girl. You're obsessed about this about the man. She and the man thing. She's sneaking the man in the house and play like if nobody is seeing. She. I said, okay. So the man going yours now. Like somebody call your husband.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, girl. And the man come. Man say, hello. I like to go in there and she. Man come in. Going down something. The man and she they put in the room matrimonial. And the matrimonial in the bed. I know you're people for them, but girl, it's so sweet.
All this conversation sweet. I don't have time with them.
I said, alright. And the man sneaking it.
Girl, they should have fit you the thing.
Me, girl, you don't know me. I just I didn't ever been treated that girl. Girl, and I just oh shit. Girl, oh god, it's so god. Girl, you know that like chores. I'm waiting for when the chores in school. They know I get a piece of story. Girl, the story.
Oh Lord. When you done now, a lot of people still for them by what? It look like they're coming there. Talking about cook and clean.
Yeah.
How long are you shot? Boss, for buy a back, I like my clean.
Yeah, I hear you to ask you though.
Yeah. Jesus. Don't let me feel like let me just think like you been working hard. Tell me
I know. You know the thing.
No.
Come in there. Let me realize I don't come back already. Alright.
So guy nani ne? O ya lo quick.
Oh yeah. We had blackout.
Go buy food eh. We come back we hungry. Go buy food.
What food, bye?
We had blackout.
We are blackout to me.
You don't know when GPL the blackout.
Come here guy nani. So
When
them
GPL
tell
the
you blackout and water cut off.
You know you are to cut.
Shad, come by, come see right now. I'm there. Them tell people about no blackout and what we went like there all the time, water all the time. So me know why come home here release, you know, but blackout and them streamlets.
If it's blackout, it's blackout. We want to do.
Wait me, if it's blackout, it's blackout. We just left here. So plus this night. So no blackout all the time and now soon we come back like come back now.
When me skin attack and it's night time and this. And you skin on the attack. Up here the one day to up here there.
Hello, it's blackout. You water the cut off.
Attack, but you live with sweat. Not even the water.
You're sweating on cheese. What's the on the wet?
If this skin attack,
you see? What with you?
Up here, you can't share. Man, I tell you, can't. Hey. Yeah, that's got shot. There's a show me, you know.
Be hungry and one hungry man is a very hungry man, right?
Go and cook. Yeah, I gotta cook. Go and cook.
So we must go cook after we done a hard day work. We must go cook.
Yes, if we had blackout and water cut up, now the thing come up, go and cook. Go and cook. Yeah, your hand left in your money, but I don't think so.
Where's the nice
Hey,
about?
can't share.
Yeah, them roll we the woman thing and son they went to work and said I telling them they want to go cook, they're going cook.
But it had blackout.
I say tell them the place hot and the same what you mean sweating and I tell them look
So,
we are
all the time that blackout, but soon as we come home and food ain't cook, light come on back.
Can't just come out.
No, while we walk out, we carry the light with we and we bring it back now. We carry the light in the water with we, now we bring it back.
we own water, we own light.
Like I tell you.
I don't know. It's hot right now and
they get blackout all to same blackout like what GPL give.
Blackout and you barely do a little cleaning thing, them clothes didn't even wash it and you get a blackout.
How we gonna wash? Listen to me.
I live looking like if you didn't even do work what they same way we left the clothes there, sir. Watch it, every clothes, everything still there back right there and you tell me about you walking and oh yeah, let's say and yeah, trying to say. Stop me and I'll catch. What you trying to say? What there? Say me. Yeah. We left to say. So what there? The bear.
Now she phone up nasty.
Yeah. The bear ain't even fix good. First one there. Then tell me that all the place the attack them say we see a chop of water upon the skin no. But what the bottle over in the car here? Say hey, watch it there, man. Watch it there. What the bottle over? What the bottle like there, you know?
So yeah, sweating.
Yeah, them things so. And
I sweating me at time. Well, what? Look,
Them got
so
them
that's the
artificial
stairs.
sweat.
and then setting on oh.
Yeah, I need to put AC for we.
AC all now.
Hey, for this month here, so. For this, let me tell you, right? For this month here, so y'all ain't getting no money.
We get no money for the rest of the month, then we need it for the rest of
Oh,
the
now you know the job. Then you
Nonsense.
can.
month. We got time for this.
Well, hey, yeah, watch. We going by KFC and get some feed, buddy. We coming back.
That bad's been back some for you.
Bring back war. If we can't get nothing to eat, we gotta go at KFC and we gotta get something to eat, you don't know?
If I be cook, you gotta get things feed.
Yeah.
Now we gotta go buy things feed.
Now we gotta go and buy things. We know we got one more for. And we gotta go and buy things feet on the road. You know what? When we come home, we supposed to don't get a plate of food, well served and everything. But they happening, what can you even doing? This I tell you, what can you even
And I got enough rationing. Then after that, I got no
Yeah,
ration.
ration.
Enough ration. But all them know to do is sit down all day on phone.
Yeah, and talk name. You know what phone could give them? Like the phone is give them money.
Them,
The phone,
I think them should eat the phone. Let them eat the food. Well, we coming back. We ain't thinking. We going buy we chicken.
Yeah, we got in KFC, man.
When you have 10 and buy chicken, you make sure.
Go back to the store. I can't wait to see the one come down there. Baccarat, and then she's one for play shit up there. She should have leave the people there.
Then when I know we the girl, we get the chicken over with them. They don't know that off me so much. Oh yeah.
Look at here, boy. I want food. Food where? Whole day they want bag you. Who ever give them food?
Yeah, I know.
Nonsense.
Hey, I collect this girl. But me really know what to tell this girl. I know me really know what to tell this girl, but I gotta call somebody who I could call and ask, hey, forget the advice over talk you about the coming. Oh, short boss. I could call short boss and you know, he could give me some advice and thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, hello. Hey, short boss, so going on. You don't need me, you G from up the road, man. I want some advice, yes, man. I want you help me out with a little thing here. So, you know, at the end of the situation, and I want you help me out with it. Yeah, I got help you, you know. You don't need the right person you call, short boss. I gonna bring you in the guy's class. You don't got say a word, you know. I got all the words for you to make the girl then laugh. I make them fall in your hand. You sight me? Yeah, me boy. Aha. You happy, right? I collect this girl number, right? And well, you know, somebody get the number but me, you know, how to start a conversation with this girl is like, you know, I you know what to tell this girl, but you know, somebody tell me that, hey, you know, you could help out, you know, you could help out with a girl is, you know, you could help out the situation, so that's why I call you. Yeah, but hey, help out somebody, man. Alright, good. So everyone up in here, right? You gotta pay for learn. In life, you gotta pay for learn. So everyone up in. You got MMG, right? Send me a 5 grand. This is the least I take. I take a crunch a 5 grand. And I gonna teach you the roots. In life, you gotta pay for learn. You send me and you gonna know everything on how to start a conversation with the girl you site and keep the conversation going and everything. You don't got in less than 3 minutes and you don't know. So when you call she know and you talk to she, you don't know what's going on and you don't keep the conversation going on thing. You don't just remember you gotta pay for learn, right? Yeah, in life if you wanna learn something, you just gotta pay. It's just like if you're going to do some trade, you know, you gotta pay for learning the trade. So you gotta pay for learning this class here. Alright, good. So wait, man. Wait a second. I gotta pay you just for learning how for tag, y'all. I gotta pay you. So wait, oh, this is like a girl's class thing I come in here, so now, so I gotta pay. But alright, here ain't happen. Send me your MMG number and I go and send you the money they just now. Alright, yeah, good. Cause we really like this cat, you know, and it's a nice and proper cat. Then say, use the man, you know? Yeah. Alright, good. Alright, thanks for the help, man. I gonna send it just now, yeah. Good. Yeah, I don't receive the money and everything else, right? So, yeah, somebody's in it, as you say, somebody's in it, so. It ain't happening, right? You like to often start a conversation with a girl, right? You got this cat and you want to start a conversation, right? Actually, how far she living, where she from, where's your favorite color, and where's your favorite food. And you got to go easy and simple, right? And she ain't falling your hand. Yeah. So you're saying this is all I need to know for start a conversation with a girl. Try it and it gonna work, right? Alright, good later. Just ask them basically thing though, and I gonna get through and thing. Anyway, thanks for your advice, though, man. Anybody know advice? Want advice and you know, they got no advice? You could send them to me, you know, just follow them step there. Yeah, alright, good. Later. Alright, yeah. I didn't even know if to talk to Cathy myself. And I giving you advice on how to start a conversation with you. But anyhow, there's a business go on. Thanks for the 5 grand. Cause like all this man is asking if I... Hey, hello. We're going on this star. It's me, shortboss. I want your advice, man, on how for us slag girl, how for start a conversation with a girl. Alright, shortboss, the price for talk girl is 10 grand. Cheap and sweet. You gotta pay for learn. In life you gotta pay for learn, right? 10 grand. What? $10,000 you charging me? Alright, good. And I just charge him 5 grand. $5 just charge you.
Shortboss, man, you gonna get you water, right?
I know, but me guys need the water, but I can't swim. But you say you just have to throw a little water upon my skin.
So mean you freaking the water, man?
No, I mean freaking the water. What is I can't swim? Me want, you know, me want go with the body.
But let me go and take a little water upon my skin and we paddle water.
No, me want catch no water upon my skin or nothing, buddy. I tell you, me never go with it.
So you going on someone?
Oh.
You going like a fish? Yeah, you going on for real, body like a fish.
Care what you want to say, buddy. Even if I want to go, me care what you want to say. Yeah? Good.
Yo, Shortboss, you look like a proper cat for you, man.
Hello. Hey, the cat, look. She gone in the water, you know. She gone in the water. This
You
why
can make a fence, same body with different styles.
So it's by the eye, you know why? If you want to come and talk to me, try to send and see if you can come and save me.
Yo, Shortboss, for the girl jungle, by the girl jungle.
Agong ka lang.
We go see. But you said you can't swim, shark, boy. How you going to save the cat and you can't swim, buddy?
Hey, it's a life going down the drain. This guy you want you know. Don't tell me but you can't swim. I can't save the girl, but it's a life going down the drain, never.
You think? Boy, watch how he's dead for girl. Watch how them is dead for girl, boy.
You alright? You alright? You alright?
Yeah, look for woman is back here. Do anything.
Where me woman is make man do anything?
For woman is back here then. Just stop passing. And you tell him, man, you can't swim. And look, I just do this and see. And then you say like it there. I wash her these late clothes. So no one don't tell me but I gotta wash clothes. I stole every tea. No every tea. It's me this so long. Bring the clothes. God, bye. And kicking with the clothes. Oh jeez. Bring the clothes.
I'm coming in with the clothes, y'all. And the clothes there, so don't open your mouth for me and tell me about bring the clothes, and hurry and all this here, I tell you. Look the clothes there, so don't tell me them things, the girl. Go ahead, watch the clothes right there. Make sure you watch the clothes and watch the clothes clean too. Tell me about bring the clothes I don't say but you fed up on me and then tell you, right telling you? Alright. Fat mother go in there and check back I get this thing. I go in inside. Yeah?
I wash her these clothes, yeah? I got time with these. I'm checking these pockets, cause you know this one in your pocket, cause you saw them, but checking pockets and them things. Eh? No man. Nice one. Let's find us keep us loose as trees, guys. Aye. You won't even know. Aye. Stand up with me. Can't leave. Because he always he's to see you on my waist. So you want to put this in my waist. Because I'm in my pocket. Oh, jeez. Why? Anybody crying?
A few moments later.
I do this money, but you have some money, but you can't find it, you know. And I give you this clothes for wash, you know. Oh, I know I do. I can't actually do this money. If she see any money, or say yes. You know what going on. I lost some money, man. I had some money inside me. What do you think? I had some money. Do you know if you didn't wash the clothes, if you see any money inside my pants, man?
I check them pants. You asked me to check them pants, so I check for me see no money.
So you sure you ain't see no money?
I swear I see no money.
Because the money is me own, you know. Because if you see the money and you access who one, the money is me own. Because if a woman washes her husband clothes or she buy some clothes or so she find money, she washes her partner clothes, It now belongs to she. It now belongs to she.
I don't tell you, I just tell me 30 back. So I 30 back it and may see no money. Then why would I lie? You don't know me. I can't lie. Boy, watch. No money. You see any money in my pocket? You see any money? I don't even get the pocket. You see any money in my waist? I can't say waist.
Alright, girl, alright, I hear you. I think I left some money inside of me pants and all. The money is me on.
You go inside back as if you left it somewhere in one of your next pants or something, no?
Alright, I go man. I ain't going to pay for
Or
you.
you want to or something.
But I want to know something. If she really find this money, I want to know if the money is own, if it's me own or if it's she own. Because if your partner or so washing your clothes and they find money in the pocket, if it's own, if it's me own or if it's she own. But I believe she find the money, you know. And Joksha one is good there.
You want to know the money? Yeah? You want to know the money? If the money behind the money, yeah? Me money. It's me money. Money. Yes. Yes. The money. I try to see if you can. Oh, you think you can break it down there?
I feel so I gonna make this thing, man, cause them thing is looking good, man. But them little children thing, we gonna make out to this, eh?
I wonder. Well, let me see if we could do it.
Yeah, man, I gotta try something.
Alright.
I just work this thing, though.
I know
Where your
what
foot
this.
going, man? No, man, you get it easy one, man. How are you walking all this,
Boss?
man?
Boss, you
I'm
gotta
walking
do, you
this.
gotta do that. You gotta do. Find
Your
it.
foot must get away, so. Why are you moving? How are you moving? This thing is not. What can you got push? You know, man. This thing is not.
I get some, why?
You left for me, boy. This thing is. Oh, my God.
Oh, no. What?
Alright. What's up there? What for I don't know. What's up good there? What? Two person up the road, they're driving and scooting and thing, man. You're looking nice. Look like she and your brother there, but I want to try out the thing what they're doing, I know, but me want to ask the man for try out you and I want to go to the girl.
Wow. Oh, God, it's uphill too much.
Feel down.
Stop there. Nice tight she got on, alright. I'm gonna say if I could go for try it out, but the look man look serious to this store or whosoever the person might be, it's open that you girl or nothing needed to buy. Alright, good. Alright, good. Hello. Good afternoon, man. I want to try out on this thing is, man. I want to try on this scooter because, you know, me ain't going to try out this thing long in the lecture and they want to wait feel like man.
Yeah? See me right over there? Serious about me.
Who keeps you brother serious about you? What's serious about? They ain't got nothing to do all I just do. Is that I just want to try out. I don't care if you brother serious with you or not.
You gotta go over there. See, can you see us about me? If we can't probably, you're gonna know.
So wait. You feel that you brother could defend you? You feel you brother could do me something?
Wanna go see now?
Just see now.
Let's see now.
Alright.
Hey, who going on there, boy?
What do you mean what going on there?
Yo, don't come to me chopping it.
Don't come to you feel you could defend you say so if I roll up to you say you can't do nothing. Yeah, I tell you.
What? Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something here. Yeah, know me, sister. You know she say, come. She just
I just want to try up on one of these things because me try one of these good out thing, but then there's all I ask you for, you know what? I just for try out one of these things here, so what there.
Watch, come, give me a try, man. Give me a try there. Give me a try.
Like. Take me try, man. Don't go too far, come and come and look for you.
No, you ain't gotta look for me.
Take your time, boy. Look what I'm doing. You are playing bad boy.
I am.
It's bad boy. You are playing bad boy.
Look before I
show you dog.
Look before I laugh, go off for this. Let me stop.
Yeah, no, he plays. He feels one big boy.
Yeah.
What like this? Again, you right like this. Set me up here, so by like, I can't give back these people anything. Hey, you ain't even nice. Hey, let's say so. The brother gone inside, man. Like he gone inside me. Y'all laughing me all the man. This ain't even think this whole junk thing. Hey, man.
You see what I'm
See you laughing, man. Y'all whole junk thing. Hey, happy, man. You happy? See the brother gone inside, man. Give me your number now. You can give me your number. I could call. Give me your number. What? The brother.
I ain't got no phone. You could buy a phone?
No, me buy phone. Man, give me your number now, man.
I don't have a phone.
I said give me your number.
Is who you are in phone, so boy? Come to white. Hello, go inside. Let me deal with the bike. Like you getting disrespectful.
Like you do something or what?
Yo.
So trying to burn apart.
Sky there going to cook.
I'm going to cook a lighter, but you might be glad if you were to get a piece of meat, man.
I pass in the just now and I say got some duck inside the yard.
Yeah, you could do a thing for me and get one for me, man. Like you might glad for the meat, man.
Today me staying jump defense.
Yeah, buddy. Jump defense at the back, nobody do, buddy.
But I got watch man though.
Buddy, you gotta get no watch, man, buddy. You just jump defense.
Yeah.
And nobody do. You just collect the dog and come, buddy.
Good. I gotta get some really bad done, right?
Good. You gotta speed. You cover it well, government, buddy.
Alright, good. Now see what going now.
Alright, good.
We are full like duck and we got get meat by the key, you know. The key, you know, we're going now, buddy. Yeah, just one here, so I could get through by feel like one guy in the pen. I have this at one for taste, you know? Rubber band. Hope nobody has seen it. I get two. But nobody has seen it.
You carry the yard. You can't get guilty.
Good. Be careful. The lady, they don't iron tea by Aram. What do you do?
Alright, Queen, go through here there, and
Yeah.
you can just go through the back gate there,
Yeah.
and you can beat out on this thing down, I can link you to
Alright, go there, link me. Go there.
A few moments later.
Well, I'm wait. I'm supposed to have shortboss for this food. Come on, you know. This too sweet for you, you can't get this, man. What am I calling me by? Shit. I can't leave you right through in. Hey, what guy now, boy? No, well, remember the lady we been arguing about thief, the woman, I don't know the name, people them here, and the people call the police, and I have to give back the people them the dog plus I have to give people more money because I don't kill the people dog, so we can get farm, get this curry by.
But do we understand? But I work hard, I think to do the job to fit, but you sure?
Yeah, but the people them don't collect back the dog and stuff. As you don't know you buy one no police story. No, cause remember I don't kill the dog, so I can't think, so I have to give back the dog with the money too. Yeah, cause I say you work hard and so we supposed to get this dog and so, but then people come police and shoot the story and them kind of thing about him.
Good. Pay off and things so then I can carry a mean level right over there and a mean level on this side there. So it is them come back on to the lazy right there. I got later.
Good.
Yeah.
Shortboss, this dog is not for you.
What's kind of phone ringing? What's kind of Zoom, G? What's kind of? Hey, what are you now, boy? I'm there.
You ready?
Wait? Yeah, I just still preparing here, so man. You ready for the leg?
Yeah, what then?
Oh.
But we share, but you got the big money if you got come.
Yes, I know, but hey.
You go on me way.
Yeah, I a mommy boy, but right now I don't pass the age of consent already. I don't pass 18, so right now I told him young kid, so me gonna ask mom if I see mom, I just got tell mom I go in here, some come back. You don't know the thing is going.
Oh, so that mean you could turn your key, so I'm the thing we live now.
I say, man, the girl will live now. When you nothing wrong with she. Right now I tell you, as I tell you at Stormy Monkey, right now I told man, yeah, right?
Oh, you told the man yard. Alright.
I the man at the yard. Me told man at the yard. So you don't know what I mean. Me gonna ask us, say, hey, yeah, what there?
Oh, you turn my yard, man. You turn my yard.
Yeah.
Big man now.
Yeah, it's a big man. If I told man at the yard and told them you we expect, yeah, but
Man, I'll call you up just now, man. I'll call you up just now. Call like you turn big man.
yeah, but I see man at the yard. Alright, good. Later.
Good, later.
Amen. Oh, take
Going
me.
out?
Yeah, me call you call me search like that and then
You
quick me
need to
cousin.
ask this one. Go, you going out?
I just say you going out. I got ask right now. I saw me on key and I see man at the yard. I told man at the yard long. This so you got no one understand.
I got
You got no. I told man at the yard.
Oh, you tell man yard.
Yeah.
Okay. Use man yard as woman of the house.
Use woman at the house.
Yes, I don't mean you ain't going not away.
Yo. Use
Let's
woman
say
at the house. The man is lead the house. I told man yeah. The mean.
I see woman in the house, and if I say you ain't going, you ain't going. Don't ain't got to worry with me. Take off. It's like take off. Take off. That's why I tell you take off. Take off. You ain't got to go nowhere. I
said me cousin coming here, no. I said me cousin coming up.
Alright.
And I call him this car. And then
you could be. I don't care. I see woman in the house. I said take off.
What? Man, just tell me ready by. This man. What this man tell me ready by? What this man, man? Let me get honest with this man, man. Man, the man pump his sharpness in. He just tell me he put knife so he ready for come out and we there.
Take off.
I say me go.
Story though.
I say me
Look,
go.
we got time for war with you, man. I down. I don't say what I say. Later. You go anywhere you can see.
Man.
You can see.
Man, alright. Good. You man, are you going? Are you going? I like me, you know. I know I'm to you, but I don't tell you to go anywhere every day, right? Small come in just now. And I can't let this man know that, hey, you know, me woman is doing me though, I can't think. I tell you, he's the man at the other guy, show you that, hey, he's the man at the house.
So, you want to take a power?
I tell you, man at the yard, because he's gonna cut me. So,
Let us come. You put it on back. You put it on back. You put it on back. You put it on back.
There's a new shiny me clothes, but my cousin. Bye.
Buy nothing. I say you ain't going. You ain't going.
I say
Ice woman in yours. Man,
if he's a man, the man is gonna lead the house.
I don't miss the guy in the house. I say it's the woman in the house.
Man.
And if I is the woman in the house, I say you ain't going on. And let me come back and see you put it on again. I ain't care about your cousin. You say you what? You got your key. You do my you step two. You step two and see. You step two and you can see. How's woman in the house? How's woman in the house?
But I tell you about it. Inside. Inside.
Let's go. Hold up, come.
You Shabazz, man.
Shabazz? How are they here?
So, you can't here for come?
Yeah, can't come? Yeah, actually now.
And Shabazz say easy man, yours.
Oh,
That was
my
you.
To my house. Eh?
So what, man? Love the man.
Man, what? Man, look, I ain't able to repeat myself. Look, let's go ask you. Who got any more power?
Which party them, man? Which party them, man? Which party?
Come, sure,
I know I did cousin.
Okay, cousin ain't got nothing to do with me.
Something he said. I'm going on, man.
Go ask him, man. Look at the door there. Go in the door. Go in the room.
But if he said that you win, no way.
But hey, she can't, but she could come and give me eye card and thing, but hey, you don't know.
Why do you know when big cousin come with that? Put on your clothes and you roll.
She don't know, man. She thinks she could buy this,
Hey, I tell you, this is why we call it for long.
By this, I tell you, she thinks she could come and control, man.
So what? We should tell you, man.
What? I tell she to her man, yeah, but oh, I the woman at the house. I the woman at the house. If I see you guy now, you can't go know me because I the woman at the house. But if you see she take off, me couldn't say, I see you guy now, well, if you go here, they be see, you don't hear something going, see you go now, man. But I tell you, but you don't know you wasn't in that dream.
Oh, you ain't feeling like a mama.
But I mean, I'm with the girl, but I don't tell she, I store me on key by to her man at yard, by.
She body out.
Hey, go on.
What happened now?
Nothing.
She can't do nothing.
No, but I don't think she can't do me nothing. But we
Pick up your phone then.
hold on.
You got many phones, man. I got your phone, man.
Man, easy the phone you got there now. Good.
Alright, man. I'm walk with you.
Good.
Where you going?
Let me know. Let me where you going. I tell you like, oh, I tell you to a man, yeah, and yes, fine.
What with me? What tell you? I hear your power.
Man, you my respect for me, what? You don't see me cousin there, and you control me like. What? You don't see me cousin there.
What tell you?
Let me wait till I tell you, man.
What tell you?
Man, you and who's gonna spread out on you saying that, hey, shortboss girl, let's beat you, shortboss girl, let's beat you. But
I tell you, don't go nowhere. I is the woman on this house.
so when you feel the man gonna stand the man there right there, body the man there right there.
You
You and the man gonna tell people, oh, shortboss girl, let's
Do
come.
you see your voice on me?
Man, but you and the man gonna say, alright, shortboss girl is beat you and thing. But you want the man, I said going on this final. I told man, yeah, they going on this final.
I just woman in the house. You man and I just woman.
But the man is rule the house. The man is rule the house.
But you is it? You really, yeah. I see.
Man,
Woman in the house and I controlling the house.
Man, you won't see me. You won't
Please
see,
don't.
man, you won't see me. You won't see me cousin. The man, oh, you see this man watching me, but the man laughing and all kind of thing. But you want, you body.
Take off your clothes. No, and don't this the toy type. Like me, like you like this losing my schools, no, cause you know why? And when I talk
But
once, is it? I come the second time, no, I come the third time.
Man, what schools you lose them body?
Schools them losing.
But
And don't like come a full time. Take off the clothes.
what do you think? But like, man, you see, so you see the disrespect when you showing.
Make sure you know disrespect.
But is that disrespect to me in front of me cousin body?
But you don't know what's disrespect when you saying use the money in your eye.
I told man, you do it.
Oh, so that's and you get your own key. Okay.
But there's a big disrespect.
There's a disrespect.
I don't want to laugh.
Oh, when I do you things, it's a disrespect. But when you say things, it's not a disrespect.
No,
Alright.
it's not a disrespect.
Oh, it's not disrespect. That's why if you friends and guys say, woman beat you, quote fail. Well, you know why? Because you say that I disrespected you. But you didn't know when you did disrespect me.
Shabazz, I talking to a man of yard.
Which man I heard? Let's see if he can go anyway.
What you do, you know, man? Good for you. I talking to a man of yard, talking a big phone. Look where they don't. Like I'm gonna slip. Backside. I'm gonna left you too. Oh, if I ever tell you, I'm gonna tell all them by pony you.
No, don't tell. Please don't tell about it. Don't tell.
Then you woman beating you man a yard. Good for you. Stay right there.
Meat mouth. You happy, right? I forget with all this thing you put in me to forget all man. I want me money because but how long you owe me money, buddy? Every time you see me, before I see you, you's always duck and when you is always that. Every time I come by you ain't do. Oh, and you saying you ain't do. When I do call on your phone, it turn in our fault thing and then you tell me, oh, your phone is working on all these things, but I don't like.
You see, never get money. I like rolling up money to the we can say.
When people owe me money and it's God they running behind them for me money, but the real talk I don't like that. I don't impose running behind people for me money. Oh, and every time you see me ducking and running all these things. If I owe people money, this get them money. If I say giving them a this day, I just give them a this day. Hey, I give you your money Friday, you get your money Friday. I don't run hide them from people when I owe them money, buddy. Hey, wow. Make your son give me money, right?
Hey, you.
Good.
You, my money there. My money there. Look along. You have some me until you're ducking everywhere for my money. You ain't giving my money there.
Man, I tell you.
I said, my money there.
Man, I tell you, you ain't get your money next week, buddy. I tell you.
Every day is next. I want it today. Copy it? No. If you understand, don't. Yes, I speak in English. Don't get my mad.
Man, calm down your voice. Now, they got people watching me like.
I don't care. You didn't know that. I time. Now I comfort you about me money.
You happy? I got some money. I got collect from this man. This man got pay me and well, he didn't just talking to on the phone right now. When he bring the money, I gonna call you and you ain't get the money, man.
Can you hear this? See that this phone? It's not the money you owe me. You, when you get the money, you come and collect this. You know part living. Don't come and remember no. No part living, right? You know my address.
So if I come and I call you, or if I come and I call you and you and them, or I get the phone for call for contact and say, hey, I get the money for you.
Somebody didn't know. Me going nowhere right now. I don't know.
So also people gonna contact me from me for man.
Man, I don't say what I said. You owe me now like old lamp on this now. Bring my money.
I feel like I'm make a report at the station, I know.
Make it now. Who cares? When it's done, they don't give me the right because you know what? You owe me. And I owe up on this.
Ah, you do what you want. I come in by you with the police. You do what you want.
I don't care. I'll be waiting.
Ah, do what you want.
Alright.
She do what she want, man.
I get the pear. I get the fruit selling there. I get the pear. I get the sour sap for build the back. Yeah, come patronize me. Yeah, come and patronize me. Young man. Come, I get the sour sap for build your back. Come buy this fruit. It's nice. And build your back and left the front. Come on.
No, man, I think I good, man. I think I good.
Man, now you moving some man. I got the pear. I got the sour sap for build the back.
Buy this sour sap now and build up this back and thing. I can't see what she got the pear could work good. And now they're gonna get the pear. Then go and get pear, alright.
Ginger beer, sir. Yes, good afternoon, sir.
This is the syrup.
Yes.
And this is the water.
Yes.
How much for your sour sap?
You saw something is 20 cents.
30 cents. How much for the avocado?
25.
25 for the pear. This is 40. And how much is it for this?
Man, I give you like for $20.
$20. And this okay, Nep?
Yeah.
How much for the guinea?
50.
15?
Yeah.
Alright, alien happy. Yes, take US?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Alien happen. The sour sap looking nice and the beer looking nice, you know. I could build up the back. No sell for the woman there. And well, make sure the nice ginger beer syrup. They'll be good. How much for these chairs, so?
I live in town.
Some beer. Kapisa ba ako ni sa na?
Well, 25 for the bag.
25 what? 25 cents for the bag?
Yes.
So I got pay for a bag and I buy for you and I got pay for the
Of
bag?
course.
No, but we don't, back by we country, we don't work like...
This is your country, it's
No, but
different.
I come in at the shop and I got pay for the bag.
Yes.
So
If you
what's
start
the...
trying it, I don't care. You need to pay for back 25 or you can go just
So I
like
got,
that.
so I got pay 25 cents. So I got pay 25 cents for the bag.
Because that's why you gotta pay for it.
Alright, then pizza 2 bag. I want to put this thing in, so separate.
Hey, you want me to help you?
Go shop your money. See, this I say, it's like I umbrella everything. It's like you are robbing me.
The breeze.
It's like you're
I don't
robbing
want
me.
to grab you, young man. That's it.
Oh, because you tell me I got pay for bag.
Let me help you there.
Because you tell me I got pay for bag. I buy it from you store. Me understand. We don't work like the back by we. Please put in another bag. Alright, look.
Thank you very much. It's nice doing business with you. Enjoy your blessing for this. Yes.
Because you know, because in Guyana, I don't pay for no bag, but we go in the shop and we go and buy multiple things and we get back and the people don't even say you gotta pay $20 for the bag. I gotta come here and pay 25 cents for the bag. It's only because I want to walk down the road where them things for people see it, you know, I pay for these two bags. Because back in Guyana, all we just do is, hey, take we thing and we just walk with it there and just buy.
Thinking a sense? Sense. This is gonna be for boss lady. And listen me for me. You'll be talking. Let's take a hobby. Take a hobby. I know he's a finer. I gotta put this money. This is for boss lady. And this is for me. Let me put in my pocket. Nice. I don't know this. I supposed to still gotta get more from though, right? I'm supposed to put it in the pocket. I was getting waste. Anyway. What a view. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, what a nice place to come and meet her in the afternoon, man. It's a beautiful girl standing up there, though.
The sunset is wonderful.
Like you come for anyhow, so things. Good afternoon, friend. My name is Sharon.
My name is Nikki.
I just come over here to tell you, man, how beautiful you are and accept your beauty.
Thank you very much.
I just really interested in your simple like you.
Right now, I am looking for no boyfriend. No relationship. Okay?
Man, you looking for no boyfriend, but boyfriend looking for you, relationship looking for you, and I could be that man for you. You know what I mean? Just give me a chance, man.
Chance? Not monopoly or what for you playing chance? It's not a game.
But I don't play a game, so you get me now?
See what I'm seeing? What am I seeing? I seen a young man that I ain't fit for me. That's what I see it.
So how you know I am fit for you?
I know you're fit for me.
You gotta take the opportunity with me, then to know that I am fit. I
No
am fit for you.
opportunity? I want this opportunity to pass me by.
I a young man with a bright future.
How bright is it?
Real bright.
It ain't bright in me, look in my eyes.
It might be bright in your eyes, but I know deep down in your eye right now it's bright.
You're too young, you look at me age.
Man, age is just a number, you know. Age is just a number.
You say age is just a number. If I was 12, right? If you were one child, what about the set?
Man, if you was 12, I would be 13, but if you was 12 and I was like 30, I can't deal with you because you're too young for me. You know though?
So age is just a number, but I is 12, child is a cell, number, and I deal with you say you deal with no 12-year-old.